Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oils for Subaru vehicles that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're maintaining your Subaru for peak performance or looking for the best oil for your model, we've got you covered. You can check out the product link descriptions below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Subaru Synthetic Motor Oil SAE 0W16, specifically designed for the 2024 Crosstrek, 2024 Impreza, and the 2025 Forester. This oil comes in a 5-quart container and is tailored for newer Subaru models that require ultra-low viscosity for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The 0W16 rating ensures excellent cold start performance and smooth operation in colder climates. It's a genuine Subaru product, meaning it adheres to the highest OEM standards for quality. In terms of design, the container is ergonomic and easy to handle, which makes pouring hassle-free. The oil itself is engineered to meet the demands of modern Subaru engines, ensuring optimal lubrication while maintaining compatibility with advanced emission systems. The performance is solid, especially during cold weather starts, where the low viscosity ensures a quick flow to critical engine components. However, this product is somewhat niche as it's designed for newer models only. If you have an older Subaru or a turbocharged model, this oil won't be compatible. Additionally, since it has fewer customer reviews compared to some of the other products on this list, it's harder to gauge long-term user satisfaction. Overall, this is an excellent pick for owners of 2024 and newer Subaru vehicles who want the product specifically tailored to their car's needs. In the third spot, we have the Subaru Oil Change Kit, a complete package that includes 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic motor oil, an oil filter, and a crush gasket. This kit is a one-stop solution for owners of popular Subaru models such as the Forester, Outback, Impreza, Ascent, Legacy, and Crosstrek. It's designed for models ranging from 2017 to 2024. Making it a versatile choice for a wide range of vehicles. What sets this product apart is its convenience. Instead of purchasing oil, a filter, and a gasket separately, this kit bundles everything you need for an oil change. The included 0W20 oil is perfect for non-turbocharged engines and offers excellent engine protection and fuel efficiency. The updated oil filter ensures better filtration and longer engine life, which is a big plus for those who value durability. On the downside, this kit is slightly more expensive than buying individual components, and it's not suitable for turbocharged models. However, the convenience and quality make this a great value for busy Subaru owners who want to perform their own maintenance. With a stellar 5.0 star rating, it's clear that this product is a hit with the DIY crowd. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.